Welcome back to the channel, and tonight, guess what? Emma's making a lot of noise. Boom, boom. Anywho, we're going to have our favourite kebab. Look at that. Chicken shawarma, lettuce, and Emma making lots of noise, and chips, and garlic, and chilli. Or, as Emma does, mix the garlic and chilli. But I've parked in a special place because after I've eaten this ice stone gelato, and now for the world's smallest takeaway pizza. What?
That one. Only one.
One slice. Yep, I've had to get gelato. I've gotten, what have I got, Emma? You don't know, do you?
No,
you don't know, you were there. Mango and Lotus Biscoff. Well, we're back in Le Pub Le Shed. Gelato was lovely. Chicken shawarma was lovely. Yeah, it was a lovely little meal. Unfortunately, I haven't done a lot else today. Yeah. Must try and make better content. Anywho, I have booked the tickets for Monday. So Monday, me and Mark Guthrie are going through to Belgium. So there's going to be some TerryTracker trail with Mark time warps on the way down there. Some nice music to listen to. And what we get up to on the way down. And also, we are then going to do some video in Ghent. Oh, that's the bar fridge kicking in. Can you hear it? Can you hear it up there? Anywho. Yeah, so then we're going to do some video in Ghent. Then the following day, I'm going to drive past Brussels towards Liège. And go to a little town that's near Liège. Where, fingers crossed, we're going to fill the van up on the first day. Hopefully. And if we fill the van up on the first day, like I say, we're going to go to Plopsaland on the second day, the theme park. So that is the plans. Hopefully. There is lots of things going on down in Dover and Folkestone at the minute. There's people waiting like nearly 30 hours to get on the tunnel because the French Border Patrol are on a go-slow and they're only half staffing the booths at the border. So yeah, I think that's just a little bit of a get at us for Brexit. Busiest time of the year for crossing into Europe. And the French being French, I suppose. Well, the Border Patrol are. The French people are okay, but yeah. Anywho, I think that's it for today. Just a little one. Little tiny one. Chris. And yeah, I shall see you all tomorrow. And now it's time to do your job.